facts about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel which will tell us why is he called Iron Man of India. Iron Man and Bismarck of India named Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is one of the builders of an independent India. He joined hands with Mahatma Gandhi and started Satyagraha, which forced the Britishers to leave India. By his kind behavior and strong plans, he brought the whole nation together. It will not be wrong if we call him the chief architect of India. Here are some incidents of his life. Number 1. There is no record of his birth date. We know that 31st October is celebrated as his birthday as it was written in his matric certificate, but that is not his real birth date. Number 2. He completed his class 10 at an age of 22 years. He gained knowledge from the Nadiyad, Petlad and Borsad schools. Number 3. He finished a 36-month course of law in just 30 months. At the age of 36, Sardar Patel went to London to study law. He took admission there in the Middle Temple Inn. He passed his 36-month degree in just 30 months with a top rank, and this was his first degree from any college. Number 4. He had been a farmer since his birth and worked too. He was the son of a farmer and he also worked in the army of Rani Lakshmi Bai or Jhansi Ki Rani. He worked with his father in the field the whole month and also kept fast for 2 days a month. He always had love and pity for farmers in his heart. Number 5. 3 times he won victory over death. First, when there was a spread of bubonic plague in Gujarat. Sardar Patel's one of the friends suffered with this disease, so Sardar decided to go and ask for his well-being, but there he too fell in the trap of this disease. After this, Patel got away from his family and started living in a temple in Nadiyad. After recovering fully, he came back. This bubonic plague killed 12 million people in India and China. Second, after the death of Mahatma Gandhi, he was so much shaken and sad that he got heart attack 2 months after Bapu's death, but he survived. Third, in 1949, in the airplane in which he was traveling, got an error while in flight, and so the pilot had to do emergency landing in one of the deserted area of Rajasthan, but everyone was safe. Number 6. He wanted to ban the RSS organization, Independent India's first Home Minister, and Vice President Sardar Patel was in support of banning RSS organization in India. He often used to throw light on this topic in front of media. Number 7. Even after getting the news of his wife's death, he did not stop the court proceedings. At the age of 33, Patel lost his wife and never got remarried. Patel was giving his plea in one of the cases in the court when he got news of his wife's death. Patel kept the note in his pocket and continued the plea on the case. After winning the case, he told the court about this sad news. Number 8. He left the post of Prime Minister on the advice of Mahatma Gandhi. In 1946, in Congress election, 13 out of 16 states have chosen Sardar Patel as the president. He was much more eligible for the Prime Minister post than Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He rejected the Prime Minister's post on advice of Mahatma Gandhi. Number 9. He brought together and joined more than 500 princely states in just 3 years and built a new India. Number 10. He played a significant role in the formation of IAS officers. He believed that there is a must need of bureaucracy in such a diverse nation like India. Britishers had made ICS, Indian Civil Services, for their use. But Sardar Patel molded it towards the country's favor. Maybe Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is not with us today, but he will always remain alive in our hearts. Before you leave, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like my video. If you like this video, then please comment and tell me.